Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Google News and how you can make up to $100 per day only by posting articles. As you can see, we are on the official page of Google News, and these are all articles written by different sites, and all that Google News does is promote them. The first step that you need to do when you get on the Google News page is to set your language and region to English and United States. So in case you guys have like a different language and region here, you will have to set it to English and United States. After that, we can just go to the left side of the page, and as you can see, we have multiple niches on here, and we just have to pick one of them, let's say technology. And we have to also pick an article that we would like to post, for example, this one. And search for a paragraph that we can copy. I will copy this one. And then we go to this side. And basically, this side allows you to copy paste different paragraphs, and it rewrites your paragraph differently, which is amazing because that means that you don't have to write the articles yourself, because basically this is a completely different paragraph. It has the same meaning, but it has similar words with the original one, and that means you cannot get copyrighted. I would like to add that you will have to be a little bit lucky too as well, because not all articles get out there, you know, and you will have to dedicate a little bit of time to kind of write your articles and increase your earnings. And also, the more time you have, the more articles you will be able to post, which also will increase your earnings. And that's how you basically write articles without actually writing them. I know it might not be the most ethical way, but I guess there are a lot of people doing that. And as you can see, these are all sites paying for having articles written on them. So people really get money by doing that. I think that this is just an easy way of doing it, and it doesn't harm you or anybody else as well. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I check every single comment, and until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.